we are looking at how to pronounce these words, as well as how to say more interesting and often mispronounced words, just, to improve your English. So make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. These two words may look fairly similar, they may even sound fairly similar, but their meanings are very different, so you don't want to confuse them. How do you say them, though? The one at the top is said as com. It's a more open O sound, com. The one at the bottom is said as come, or com at the top, or come. Slightly different. I hope you can hear the difference. Let me know in the comments, and by using the like button if it was useful. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting words and names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.